Hello everyone, welcome back to next episode of Mastery in Commerce. I hope you have understood from the previous videos the cash books, single column cash book and double column cash book. We have done the question of single column and double column cash book. The unsolved questions also we will be doing in the videos coming next. But today I thought let us cover one important topic of petty cash book. First of all, the name petty cash book tells us the small cash payments. The work of a petty cashier, generally you might have seen in your accounts department, there is not a single cashier. There is one more cashier to take care of miscellaneous expenses and taking care of small expenses being done on routine basis in the office. So the work of petty cashier actually reduces the burden of the main cashier. The main accountant is not busy with these small transactions. The small transactions are taken care of by petty cashier. So this makes the work of the main accountant easier. So petty cash actually means an amount is given to a petty cashier in the starting of the month to the petty cashier. Okay, suppose it is exactly like you are a student, you are given a pocket money by your parents in the starting of the month, and then you see how you are using that pocket money for your small needs. Same way, a small amount, suppose 2000, 3000 or 4000 as per the size of the office, these amounts are given to the petty cashier in the starting of the month, and then the routine expenses are being taken care of by the petty cashier. So we will see this one example which is given in your book on page number 111. Please open your book on page 111. This question is given to you and they have asked you to prepare the petty cash book. The columns, please see, it is there in your book also on page 112. The columns generally are, the first column tells amount received. Amount received means this is the first amount which the petty cashier receives in the starting of the month. So that amount he keeps the record of, that what was the amount in the starting of the month which he will be utilizing for doing the expenses. Next comes the date, then particular, then voucher number. Voucher number is actually the transaction number. Whenever he is dealing with that cash, what voucher he has given to the party, that voucher number is recorded. Then amount paid. For each expense, how much amount is paid by the petty cashier. Then postage, telephone and telegram, conveyance, stationery and miscellaneous. These are the heads under which the different expenses will go. So you need to learn this format by making it again and again. This will help you to get the marks of the format in the exams, right? Now the whatever amount is not coming under these four heads, they will go in miscellaneous. So if you are not able to understand that under which category this particular expense will go, you can put it in the miscellaneous column. Amount paid is on a particular date how much amount is paid in different heads, that total will be written in this column. So we will do the total of this column and come to know that whether this total is tallying with the total of all the heads or not. Whether you have missed to enter any amount, maybe you have entered the amount over here, amount paid, but you have not entered in a particular head. Because what is the work of the accountant? To maintain the different heads in which the expenses have gone, right? So we see this question. First of all, it is given to you. For example, Mr. Mohit, the petty cashier of Messrs. Samaira Traders, received rupees 2000 on May 1st, 2017. So 2017 1st May, what amount was received? Cash received 2000. For the month, the expenses are as under. So let us see what expenses were there. May 2, it is auto fare. So auto fare we write over here, date we write 2, auto fare. And where this will go? In conveyance. So it is going in conveyance and the amount is also written in amount paid. Next goes May 3, courier service. So courier service is actually courier charge, right? So it is 40. In amount paid it is written and it goes to postage. Because earlier it was only post office, but now we have courier services also. So we enter the courier charges generally in the postage column only. Next comes postal stamp of 105. Now postal stamp 105 written over here also and under the postage head. Then eraser, sharpener, pencil, pad, we know these all are stationery. So stationery items are total of 225. they will be written under the stationery head. Then speed post charges of 98, speed post charges of 98, they will be written in amount paid and it will again come in postage. Then we have taxi fare 105 plus 90. So it means it is total of taxi fare 195 written in amount paid and it is written in conveyance because taxi is our conveyance. Then refreshments are 85. Refreshments of 85, it means no other head they suit in. They don't come in any other head. So they will be written in miscellaneous. Then we have auto fare 60. We know auto fare written over here. It comes in conveyance. So it is written in conveyance column. Then we have registered postal charges 42. So registered postal charges will again go in postage expenses. Then we have telegram 34. So telegram, the separate head is there, telephone and telegram. So it will go in 34 in telegram and in the amount paid. Then we have cartage of rupees 25. So cartage written in amount paid and it doesn't come in any other head. So it will go in miscellaneous. Next comes computer stationery 165. So it will go in stationery because it is also a kind of stationery. The next we have bus fare. Bus fare will go in conveyance again. Then STD call charges 87. It will go in telephone charges because it is again STD is telephone. Office sanitation including disinfectant. So it will go in office sanitation we have 60. It will again go in miscellaneous because it is not suiting in any other column. Then we have refreshment. Refreshment is 45. It will go in miscellaneous. Then we have photostating 47. So photostating is also miscellaneous. It will also go in miscellaneous head. Courier service 40. Courier service 40. It will go in postage. Why? Courier, I told you it is equal to postage only nowadays. Then we have unloading charges. Unloading charges of 40 again written here and it will go in miscellaneous. Then bus fare 15. It will go in bus fare will go in conveyance. Sorry, it's wrong written here. It will go in conveyance. So these all things we have to analyze. Now how do we do it? We do the total of this amount paid column. It comes 1487. In the starting what amount we have? 2000. So in the starting 2000 was given to the cashier. Cashier has done expenses of 1487 in whole month. How much money is left with him? 513. So how much balance he should have in the end of the month? He should have 513. So over here 1487 is written and balance carried down. Means when next month we will be starting with our petty cash book, we will start it with this balance plus whatever cash he will be receiving for the next month. So he has to carry forward the cash which is coming from previous month to the next month. Right? So this 1487 plus 513 we can check that it comes to 2000. Now these all columns total also we will do. We will check that their total should come equal to 1487 because we have put the money in different heads. We should be knowing that whatever heads we have placed our money, it is coming equal or not. Petty cash book works on impressed system. This is nothing but the amount which is given in the starting of the month. So impressed system means first initial amount is given to the accountant and then accountant keeps on deducting those amounts on the day-to-day basis. So on day-to-day basis he is doing all these transactions, he is taking care of all these transactions and then he is telling at the end of the month how much money is left with him. So this is the impress system of bookkeeping which is followed in the petty cash book. Petty cash book question is very easy. The only thing is this format has lots of columns. So you should learn the heads of these columns and then according to the question you have to see what comes under which head. If you have any confusion that no item or any transaction is coming in any particular head, then it should be used in the miscellaneous head. This total is very important that it should tally with the total amount which you have paid. So please take care of this thing that whatever difference is there, it is coming proper or not. I hope this video has helped you to understand petty cash book, and when we will be doing the unsolved questions, you will be doing it before me. So try doing the unsolved questions which are given at the end of the chapter, which are going to help you to understand what concept is difficult for you, single column cash book, double column cash book or petty cash book. These all are important cash books from the viewpoint of exam. They are generally given in the question paper by the teachers. So please practice this. It is very easy. The only thing is you have to remember the different heads under which the expenses are recorded. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. We will meet again in the next video. Bye for now.